Jai Hind students. Jai Hind students. Good. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, worthy teachers, and my dear students. Today, WHO have recognized this day 30th of January as the World Leprosity Day. Over the past year, the headlines have been dominated by COVID-19, as you know, making it very easy to overlook disease, especially like this leprosy. You may not even have heard about this disease, what kind of disease that is. Though not very common, leprosy still require our attention because around 2 lakh people are suffering or being diagnosed by this disease every year. And millions are in rehabilitation, still very much affected by this disease because this disease largely affect our skin, and then if it resides for a long period of time, then our nervous system, making it very difficult to operate in daily routine life, even like for walking, sitting, such kind of thing, they become very difficult for the people who are affected by this disease. It is a chronic, curable infection caused by Mycobacterium leprae. You can ask your science teacher about this bacterium a lot more in your class today. Its identification or symptoms may include skin lesions, discoloration, thickening of the skin, unusual thickening of the skin, I may say so, nodule formation, ulcers in hand or feet or both of the cases, clawing of the fingers, that is टेढ़ा हो जाते हैं fingers, clawing of the fingers, and person often loses ability to sense cold and hot temperature through the affected area. It is completely curable, thank God for that, because there is a multi-drug therapy which is available in our government hospital free of cost. It's completely free. Though curable, still it is one of the dreaded disease because of the social stigma associated with this disease. Have you heard about this disease? सुना है किसी ने बेटा? कुष्ठ रोग कहते हैं हिंदी में इसे, सुना है? Okay. So some of the facts have been shared by Government of India, and some general question, and I'm going to share these questions with you. So the very first question is, क्या किसी को भी लेप्रोसी हो सकती है? आपको क्या लगता है? आपने किसी को देखा है ऐसे कुष्ठ रोग, किसी को ऐसे स्किन डिस्कलरेशन के साथ, ठीक है, देखा है किसी को? Answer is no, because I don't know about any people who is in my circle and affected by this disease. That means it is not very common. It's a rare disease. Okay, only 2 lakh people, though it's still a large number, but 2 lakh people in whole world. So ये जो डिजीज है वो बहुत कॉमन नहीं है, बहुत रेयर है, कम होती है लोगों को। फिर है कि किसको होती है सर और क्यों हो जाती है? The thing is, our immune system, it is a wonderful system. It fight against many pathogens on everyday basis, including this Mycobacterium leprae. But sometimes our immune system may compromise due to one thing or another, and then this Mycobacterium become strong enough to affect us. Is it infectious? क्या ये एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को जा सकता है? Yes, through direct touch or sharing the clothes. ठीक है, that's why our elder they forbid this thing कि we should not share the clothings with other people, है ना? कपड़े दूसरों के नहीं पहनने चाहिए, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, तो इसीलिए बोलते हैं। फिर है कि क्या ये इलाज जो है इसका लेप्रोसी का बहुत लंबा चलता है? तो इट्स डिपेंड कि what stages are there, in which stage you are there for this disease. It may last for 3 months to up to a year. but the thing is it's curable. Then हम कैसे पहचान सकते हैं? मैंने अभी आपसे सिम्टम्स शेयर किए हैं, उन सिम्टम्स के अकॉर्डिंग आप इसको जो है पहचान सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन देन सीक द मेडिकल हेल्प, प्रोफेशनल मेडिकल हेल्प. So these are there. If you want to ask any other question which are not included in this, you are welcome. Okay then, I would like to call our respected principal sir for the pledge and his thoughts for the day. Sir, please.
Jai Hind, children. Anti-leprosy day. And 31st January, 30th January, last Sunday is taken generally. Last Sunday of January is taken that way. And there are many diseases, of course, a good number of diseases. We call them as tropical diseases, which are still neglected because not large number is affected by it. So there may not be much in the circulation and discussions. We may not be knowing, or appropriate answer could not be there with medical science. That way also it must have happened. Neglected tropical diseases, they are called that way. So this also, but then best thing for all these, maybe any kind of myth in the society or anything which is there sometimes insoluble, where you do not have any resolution of it or solution of it. Awareness is the best thing. Be aware. Half of the things, they are solved once you have that awareness, what leprosy is, and then what should be done if somebody gets affected. And then there are certain myths which sometimes Mr. Kamaldeep, he has talked, those also, like getting affected, communicable disease, is not to that extent communicable as generally the myth is. Once you come in touch with somebody, it doesn't mean that you will immediately get affected by it. No, not at all. Once you are constantly in touch with somebody, then it becomes communicated, or one gets that disease constantly for a number of days and in deep contact with somebody, then only. So the government has sent that message, it's a good thing, and then know and be safe. Help the people. Once you know, then only you will be able to help others. So there is one oath also that you, and स्पर्श कुष्ठ जागरूकता अभियान 2021, कुष्ठ के विरुद्ध आखिरी युद्ध, हाथ मिलाएं कुष्ठ मिटाएं. हाथ मिलाएं का मीनिंग है not to shake hands, but then know and help the people, get connected to the people, help the people. That is हाथ मिलाएं. 30th January एंटी लेप्रोसी डे. आइए हम सब शपथ लें, रेज योर हैंड्स नाउ, कि मैं संभावित कुष्ठ रोग के लक्षण वाले व्यक्ति को, ओके, I'll say again, कि मैं संभावित कुष्ठ रोग के लक्षण वाले व्यक्ति को नजदीक स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में आने के लिए प्रेरित करूंगी. मैं यह भी निश्चित करूंगी कि अगर उसे कुष्ठ रोग है तो उसका पूरा इलाज करवाने में मदद करूंगी. अगर मेरी नज़र में मेरे परिवार, पड़ोसी और समाज में कोई कुष्ठ रोग का मरीज है तो मैं उसके साथ बैठने, खाने या घूमने फिरने पर किसी प्रकार का भेदभाव नहीं करूंगी। मैं यह भी शपथ लेता हूँ या लेती हूँ कि मैं कुष्ठ रोग पीड़ित व्यक्ति के साथ सामाजिक भेदभाव की रोकथाम के लिए सदा प्रयत्नशील रहूंगी। मैं यह भी शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का सपना कुष्ठ मुक्त भारत को साकार करने के लिए सदा प्रयत्नशील रहूंगा। जय हिंद। थैंक यू ऑल।